My name is Shivam Amritesh. I come from a small village in Bihar named Fulparas. I live in a joint family. I'm the oldest one in all my siblings. My parents want me to excel academically, go to a good college, get a degree, and then crack the UPSC exam, become an IS officer. Like that's their dream. Like ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा लड़का है और ये हमारे परिवार का नाम ऊंचा करेगा. I went to a boarding school in 5th standard, the Lawrence School, Sanar. All my friends and classmates and everyone came from a very well-to-do family, and coming from a village and a low background there, I started looking at things differently, and that's what led me to start hunting for different problems and finding solutions and finding opportunities in every field that I got, and that's what led me to inventing things. In 2019, I came up with this device to help people suffering from sleepwalking and epilepsy, for which I got the National Innovation Award from our president. I want to become a person who solves problems and finds problems in the society and solves them and become an entrepreneur. For me, I guess I'll be successful when someone says, like, ये problem solve हुआ है, I'll able to enjoy this feature because this guy named Shivam invented something. I think that will be success for me.